Good evening, ma'am. My name is John Christian M. Capon, and this is my report. My topic is verbal communication. Verbal communication is any communication that uses words to share information with others. These words may be both spoken and written. However, many people use the term to describe only spoken communication. The verbal element of communication is all about the words that you choose and how they are heard and interpreted. Verbal communication is the act of using spoken words to convey information, thoughts, or feelings. Example, when you have a conversation with a friend, you're using verbal communication. For instance, discussing plans for the weekend or sharing stories about your day involves using spoken language to convey your thoughts and ideas.